This is verse 2 of that thing, you know what I'm talking about? Shit. I ain't got that much memory on my motherfucking phone, you know what I'm saying? But I'm at the erase some shit so I can do it all, you know what I'm talking about? On one motherfucking, one little thing, you feel me? But check this out, this is verse 2. Check it out. Alright. Why do I blast and why do I shoot? Why am I dipping when I'm in the coop? The bill is real. And why do I feel my conscience is tripping when I'm on the kill? Where is the bull? The last question rule. Slanging and drinking, I can't get a nut. Running off at the mouth talking that shit. Only get rich for me to pop in the clip. I'm on the rise, quick homicide. Only things on my mind, sick in your life. Straight from the south when I'm turning it out. Putting a pussy dick up in your mouth. Pulling the trigger, so how do you figure that I am a pump or a buster ass nigga? Swerving the caddy, so come and step back. Sporting the pictures with my bloody ass khaki. With a ski mad, I'm dead on your ass. Thick in your cash and making you crack. All on the bank, full of that drink. Try to be like me, but nigga, you can't. With the black hat, on the attack.